everyone. Today I'm talking about my finished book. Please listen carefully. Mothers are very special. They take very good care of their families. They do all kinds of hard work. Some places have special days for mothers. The first Mother's Day started a very long time ago. In ancient Greece, the people believed in a mother god. They had a special day every spring for Rhea, the mother of the god.